In this video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix Magic Chess Go Go stuck on loading screen. So this is how I was able to fix it. Firstly, I had to close the Magic Chess Go Go app, and instead I had to go to my settings app here on my phone, as you can see. Now in my settings app, go back to your homepage here if you're not, and then scroll down and click on General, and then click on Storage right here, as you can see. It will probably take you a couple of seconds to load this right here, all of the apps, but don't worry. Just search here for Magic, and you will be able to see the Magic Chess Go Go app here, as you can see, which is perfect. Now click on Offload App, and once again in here click on Offload App. Just wait a couple of seconds and then click on the Reinstall App button here. Now we just have to wait for it to completely update to its latest version. So this is, by the way, what I did. I waited then for it to completely update to its absolute most up-to-date version, and then I went back, and now it's not stuck on the loading screen no more. Actually, it's completely working for me now. So try this, and hopefully this will be able to fix it for you as well.